guys, welcome to Jamie Loving All Seasons. If you are new here today and you just happened to stop by, welcome. To my longtime subscribers, welcome. You know I love you guys so. I just wanted to come on here because I have a Rae Dunn haul for you and a shop with me, which I'll go ahead and insert that so you guys can get started. If you are new, make sure you subscribe. I have a lot of great stuff coming your way, for the fall season. I know people are like, stop talking about fall, but this girl loves it. Favorite time of year. We're already planning for our Halloween big thing, and I have some big news. I'll be having a special update thing going on next week for you guys about possibly another new channel. So, and that'll be specifically for one thing. So I'm gonna let you guys go ahead and watch that, shop with me, and see what I've passed up on that later I'll be kicking myself on. I'm sure I will. Okay, can you believe I saw the iridescent mugs that said coffee, right? I was like, nah, I don't want it, but why do I have this feeling come Valentine's Day, or when we decorate for that, I'll be like, why didn't I get it? So, with that being said, we're gonna hop into the haul. I have Home Goods, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, and I have, yeah, that's it. But it's going to be a little mixed up, so I'll let you know where each item is from, and then we'll go on from there. First item is this tray. So this was TJ Maxx, and you guys, I used it for the 4th. So I picked it up. It says, oops, it says dip, bite, nibble, and snack. I love to host stuff at my house. I love like chips and salsa, veggies and dip, fruit and dip. I'm a dipper. I love dipping. So this is like that melamine. I think I'm saying that correctly. You can wash this in the dishwasher. I've already washed it in the dishwasher. I believe it was either $12.99 or $14.99. The tag is gone, so I can't tell you, but it washed well. I just washed it on the top rack of my dishwasher, and it seems to be perfectly fine. So, love this pick. Love this find. Speaking of about leaving things, you guys, I looked at one of my old videos. I saw a guacamole and salsa, the little dishes, and I passed on them. And now I'm obsessing because I can't find it. All right. So that was TJ Maxx. This one, I want to say Home Goods. So this is the hair ties and bobby pins. And this I'm actually putting away, you guys. I'm really starting to get up there in subscribers. And I'm going to have a really big giveaway for when I hit 1,000 subscribers. To me, that is huge because I can't believe this silly girl, this goofy girl, has, you know, 700 plus subscribers. So, this will be one of the items in it. This was $12.99, but I'm not going to just have Rae Dunn, just so you guys know. Any of my subscribers that watch all my videos, even if they're not Rae Dunn collectors, there's going to be some other little goodies in this pack for when I hit 1,000. Because to me, that's amazing. So make sure you're sharing. If you know someone that likes this type of content, hauls, home tours, you know, things like that, then I'm her girl. So this is, I finally found these, you guys. I watched Tish, and she found these, I don't even know, months ago. I found them at Marshalls, $5.99. They are the, so it's 180 clear organized labels, 4 different sheets, and it has your kitchen, your bathroom, garden, I mean, all kinds of stuff. Paint, I mean, you see here, baking soda, cheese, but who doesn't love to label things, right? So, I was super excited finding these, and she, like I said, literally found these months ago and came back across them again. So, I'm so happy she shared that on her channel. If you guys don't know who she is hilarious. And she does hauls. She loves Rae Dunn. She has an amazing collection. And she's so funny. She's my girl. Love her. And I think her channel is called Tish Time.
And then she has two. One is for just her Rae Dunn, and the other is like everything, which is great. Her shop with me, cleaning, cooking, all kinds of stuff. So this, you guys, I could not pass it up. It wasn't on sale, $19.99. I was hoping because the 4th of July stuff had went on sale, this was gonna be. It has a cute little ribbon, USA, it's blue. I did see after I purchased this one, is it Sparkle? And I was so mad, and I think you guys actually will see that I saw it in the store and I didn't pick it up. But isn't that pretty? Because I figured I could use this, turn it around for different stuff. But I really like that USA. And I love this shape of a birdhouse. Did I tell you where this was from? This was TJ Maxx also. I have to bend down because I dropped one of my items. I also bought some clearance items. Hold on one second. All right, real quick. So this was the Home Goods. It was on clearance for $5. Nice little sign. This will go up in my kitchen. It says Great America Sparklers and Fireworks Supercharged Extra Loud. That's me. Extra loud. This little tin, this little star is like a tin and it's raised for the firework. Yep, I got that. We're gonna just set that there. Then I picked this up. Now I always pass these up because I'm like, I was in the process of making one from the Dollar Tree, and with their little boxes, and just never finished it. So I grabbed this, and I grabbed these two items right before the 4th. So I had it up. This was $5. I know it's not Rae Dunn, but if you guys haven't checked out your stores and you still want to look for some items for next year, that says Stars and Stripes, really cute, right? And the tag on the top. Okay, last but not least, I told you it was a short little haul, but look what I found. I am so excited over this. So this was from Marshall's, $19.99, and I will comment that if you have little ones, I don't know how practical these are, and really how much popcorn are you gonna get in that, to be honest. I mean, as for practical, I don't know how practical it is, but it is very cute, and we are really contemplating about getting one of those really large popcorn machines, and I just thought this would be cool. Everybody could have their own, but yeah, and you get the two. And I bought 2 sets. So I have 4. But maybe this will go part of my giveaway. I don't know yet. We're not sure. But for sure, this. I mean, for sure, the bobby pins. I know people were looking for those. And this has the ceramic top. The one I have has the wooden top. But I didn't see any like that. That's the only one I saw. So, yeah. Popcorn. All right, that's it for this haul today. Make sure, like I said, you give me the big thumbs up. You hit that subscribe button, and you want to hit that bell so you can come back and see everything and all my lovely craziness, silliness. Come back and see me. But like I said, next week I will have a really exciting some exciting news coming up. So at least I find it exciting. So come back and see me. Make sure you kind to another, you know, every video. Be kind to one another. Love one another. And I'll see you next time.